Hi, weekenders. We are here in Easley, South Carolina this weekend because we have found the most gorgeous Airbnb, I think, to ever exist. And it's a shipping container, believe it or not. But we are going to take some time, show you around the Hive at Addison Farms here in Easley, South Carolina. So come along with us as we take a look. All right, let's take a look around. So you've got a beautiful front porch that gives you the lake view. We've got our own dock. We've also got some kayaks and a stand-up paddleboard that we can utilize. Here's Brant enjoying the view. On the front porch, you've also got a fire pit, a couple seats to enjoy. You've got a grill out here that we are definitely going to be testing out for you. A couple bar seats to sit at. And then let's go inside. There are some, I was going to say mats, but that's not the right word. Some things to block out any bugs. Curtains, yes. All right, so let's come in, take a look at the kitchen. You've got lots of drawers that have all of your coffee and tea needs. They left us a beautiful little note about our stay with some honey from the bees on the farm, because I did say this is the Hive at Addison Farms. So this property is actually on a farm. And then some homemade bread, a couple koozies. We've got a coffee maker with some coffee blends, lots of glasses, a big, beautiful farm sink. We've got a toaster oven, pretty normal sized, plates, bowls. We've got a microwave and not a full-sized fridge, but it's definitely big enough for the weekend. Also comes with a freezer that's got some ice ready-made in there. Okay, let's take a look at this bathroom. So you've got your toilet, your sink. Look at this shower. You guys, it opens up to the outside. So this is your shower. You can keep it open or closed, but then you can step through here to a his and hers private bathtub experience. That's the lake right out there. But if it's a beautiful weekend like this weekend, you can enjoy a his and hers bath. All right. Now let's move to the other side. This is the other side of the bar. There's some additional seats over here. Door closes. This also goes up and down. So you can close it out if you don't want the wind or the sun or if it's raining outside. This is the couch. Brant's going to open up the big door. Oh, you guys, this is your couch. Just sit here and look at that view. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm never leaving this spot. But I have to leave it to show you the rest of the place. So you got blankets and board games back there, and this is the bedroom. Look at that backboard. This is a king-size bed, so keep that in mind. But they've got some robes for us. This is another huge garage door that you can open that does have a screen on it, so no bugs. Brant was really excited to show you guys this. It's a blackout curtain. So it goes all the way down, and of course you can have it up, down, whatever you want to do. So obviously this points right out at the lake, so when you're ready to go to bed, that would be a great thing to put down so that you're not getting a whole lot of sunlight. There's a TV on the wall. Shameless plug of our YouTube channel on the television. But guys, look how beautiful this space is. Oh my gosh. I am so excited to be out here just for a couple days to enjoy being together. And again, this weather is gorgeous. And that's our private dock. So we told you guys we were going to use the grill for dinner, and we are. We've got some beer going over there. We just decided to do brats. We got these from Lowe's Foods. And we've got a Texas Pete.
That's good.
And then
pepperoni pizza.
Pepperoni pizza. So, and then we also got some pretzel rolls that we're gonna toast up and put them on. We brought some groceries and stuff with us. We just plan to spend the whole weekend inside, relaxing and enjoying this. So we'll let you know how dinner goes.
Thanks for joining us on this adventure, weekenders. We love this place. The bathtubs, the dock, the grill, how it was so open air. We could have spent even longer here. But definitely, if you're going to be in the Greenville, South Carolina area, or you're just looking for somewhere to relax, the Hive in Easley is a great option. We'll make sure to leave the link in the description below. Enjoy your weekend. We'll see you next time.